Okay, so it's that time of year again where you're setting the rates for the upcoming year. And what you have to think about is it's kind of done in stages. First off, we don't just have a rate, we have a season. All right, so we would create, edit, modify a season. Then your properties will have rates for each individual season. So once you have that thought process in mind, it's fairly simple. What you'll do is you'll come over here under your vacation rentals tab and you'll click on seasons. You're going to see the existing seasons that we have. You're also going to see the inactive ones. You can click on that tab. This particular client already has seasons set up for 2017 and 2018, but just a quick overview. If you want to add a new season, say we need to add fall 2018, you can see their spring goes from January 1st 2018 to January 31st, so our next season would need to start February 1st. So what you would do is come over here, click that, and you may or may not want to click through all this because you're dealing with a couple years out, but you can type it in if you prefer. Alright, so February 1st, and then let's just say I'll show you an example here. Okay, I just typed in March 1st 2018, and now you can see I can click on it and the calendar is correct. So let's just say, as an example, this client needs that season to run just for the month of February. We're going to call it just, I don't know, Valentine's. Right? Sounds good. Mark it as active or inactive. You'll hit save. Now I'm not actually going to do this because this is a live website, but I'm going to hit close here. Essentially what it will do is it would add it to this list. So now we built the season. Alright, so what do we do now? Well, we need to add rates to it. Now we already have all of our properties added in here, and there's two ways you can get to the rates. They're essentially the same thing. If you come over here and click on rates, all it's going to do initially is pull a list of properties. Now it says rates and it says edit. What this does is it pulls the default action over here on the right to take us directly to the rates. Okay, and we've dealt with Papa's Place before, so just did a quick search and I hit edit. Now what it does, it brings us to the property page here, to this tab for the rates. Now if you needed to add for the new season we created, you would come over here, click on new, select the new season that we have added. Now I notice there's no spring 2018 rates for this property, so I want to select spring 2018. I'm going to say whatever our rates are going to be. We get 0 on the daily rate, 1,000 on the weekly, 2-night minimum stay. The minimum stay rate is we're just going to say $250. If you want to add on additional nights, we're just going to say 125, and there is no 5-night special, and that's what this here is a specific 5-night rate. Alright, and so what I'll do is I'll hit save, and now you'll see we'll come back to the rates here, and now Papa's Place has a spring 2018 rate. Now if you need to edit it, you'll come in here. No, that's not right. We do want to add a 5-night special. We'll call it $750. Hit save. Now Papa's Place has been updated to that. Need to delete it? You can hit this drop down to get more actions. Hit remove. This is going to say, are you sure you want to delete this rate item? And gives us the unique ID. I'm going to tell it delete, just a confirmation. And now you'll see that winter 2018 rate is no longer attached to Papa's Place. Now you can also get to the rates from the properties page here. The results page, it is identical to the rates listing page with the exception of the default action. The default action is for the details page. So that's why I suggest coming over here to the rates page. So if you're adding in a bunch of rates, think rates. If you are editing a specific rate for a specific property, think property and then go to rates. Whatever works best for you. You'll also notice under each one of these they all have the additional drop downs. These will take you specifically to that page. For instance, just because this says rates up here, if I hit the additional drop down, it'll give me the option to go directly to the specials page. Specials edit, excuse me. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just feel free to give me a call.